can use the aloe vera with so many things. You can blend the aloe vera with the egg and honey and use that as a deep conditioner as well. You can blend it with the pear, you can blend it with onion, you can blend the aloe vera with just about anything that can use naturally to steam the hair.
Yes, and it works wonders. I mean, wonders for me.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing the journey on showcasing authentic medicinal plants in Jamaica. And we're still on aloe vera. But this time we're going to talk about aloe vera for hair growth. And I'm with the Pekans, the same beautiful ladies who shared with us the use of aloe vera and all that good stuff. Link in the description to that video as well. Special shout out first though to Amy. Amy, one of my ardent subscribers, was asking me about aloe vera for hair growth. So Amy, this one is for you. Special shout out as well to all my ardent readers, viewers, and persons who continue to watch and share my videos. I appreciate you. Thank you. If you are brand new, I invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss out. So if not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updates on all my latest videos. Aloe vera, guys, and the Pekan ladies. Again, this again is Peter Gay and
This is Annette.
and their brand is Pekan's Natural. We're here again. I did a video with them. First video, link in the description, where they explained and we explored all the wonderful uses of this wonderful product, aloe vera. Today, what are we going to talk about?
Aloe vera for hair growth.
Awesome. All right, and I have some questions, guys. It's 10 questions I have for these beautiful ladies on aloe vera. Again, they are the experts. They have been, if you watch the first video, you'll realize where I say that they know themselves. They produce all sorts of aloe vera products using authentic Jamaican aloe vera. Big up, give them a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Oh, actually, I want you to shout out to the other persons in the team for me. Peter Key.
Kiba Smith and Renee Thompson. They're a part of our team, but unable to be here today. So shout out
to
Kiba and Renee.
Shout out to Kiba and Renee. And Joy D too, right?
And Joy D.
Joy D, wherever in the world you are, Joy D. Okay, question for you. Is aloe vera good for your hair?
Yes, the aloe vera good for the hair, the new growth. To rejuvenate the hair, for dry, for itchy scalp, dandruff, split ends.
And the aloe vera is also full of vitamin A, C, and vitamin B12, which is good for the hair. It strengthens the hair strong and allow the hair to grow. And you can use the aloe vera as a hair mask. You can use it as a deep conditioner. You can use it as a hair spray in the form of a leave-in conditioner.
That's good. That's impressive. Okay. Let me ask you, how do you use aloe vera on your hair?
Many ways. Because you can use it as a deep condition. You can, when you finish shampoo condition, you could use it as a comb through. Let the hair soft, and we have a hair mask as well. So you could leave that on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes with a cap on it. And yes.
Okay. What about the pure aloe vera itself?
Yes, that's the pure aloe vera.
So you
as a hair mask. Yes.
Oh, so you just like this one here.
Yes.
You just
like this one here. If you rub it in your hair before wash, yes, you could leave it on the rub it in the scalp to the ends. Yes. And then now you put a cap on it for 15 to 30 minutes and then wash and condition and style.
Good. Can Can aloe vera regrow your hair?
Yes, most certainly. I'm the living testimony for that one.
Okay.
Yes.
We want to share that testimony again? You don't have to go in detail.
Okay. Well, my hair was really, really damaged, split ends, trashy, and all of that. And I just went research and came up with this aloe vera line. Yes, and it works wonders. I mean, wonders for me.
What's the name of your dog here? Sorry, I got a little distracted. You have a name for him?
No.
Or her? No. Oh, he's very into the video, you know. He's very... All right, pick up the dog. Pick up the dog. Animal lovers, give us a thumbs up. So, yeah, so you were saying that, yes, it definitely regrow your hair. Do you put aloe vera on wet or dry hair, Annette?
You can use the aloe vera both ways. You can put it on the hair dry and you can put it on the hair wet as well. So you can use both ways.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay. Does aloe vera stop hair fall?
Yes, it stopped the hair from shedding.
It actually rejuvenate the hair.
Oh, that's the
Yes,
word you want
yes.
to
Yes, and stop the split ends also. But you have to use the aloe vera consistently. You can't just use it a one-off and expect it to work.
Okay. Is aloe vera good for dry hair? It's another. It sounds like it's rhetorical, but these are the questions people have been asking about aloe vera. I wanted to ask you, the experts.
Yes,
Yes, it is good for dry hair as well. And the scalp. So you can do a leave-in conditioner for the hair, right?
What do you mean
on the
leave-in
scalp
conditioner? What do you
as
mean
well.
leave-in conditioner?
All right, you can blend the gel from the aloe vera, right? And you strain that gel, and you can put it in a sprayed bottle, right? And you can spray it as you so desire.
Oh, I got you.
Right, yeah.
Got you. Okay. Can we apply aloe vera on the hair daily?
Aloe vera itself, applying it daily, it will, like how Annette just explained, to blend and put it in a spray bottle. And if you comb hair daily, then you could add it like that. But otherwise, you have to, if you use it like with the hair mask, you have to rinse that out.
Okay.
Unless you're gonna use it in the products.
Okay.
Yes.
Annette, what can I mix with aloe vera for hair?
All right, for this steam.
By the way, hold on before you answer. Guys, give them a thumbs up for me. They're doing very well. They're answering all the questions on aloe vera. I told you they are the experts. So give them a thumbs up for me right now. Yes, sorry about that, Annette. Go ahead.
Yes, the aloe vera. You can use the aloe vera with so many things. You can blend the aloe vera with the egg and honey, and use that as a deep conditioner as well. You can blend it with the pear. You can blend it with onion. You can blend the aloe vera with just about anything that can use naturally to steam the hair and leave it on for a while.
This sounds like a controversial question, but let me ask. Does aloe vera make your hair thin? As far as you know? Any of you?
No, not from our experience using.
Certainly not the Jamaican aloe vera.
No, not the Jamaican aloe vera. Not our backyard.
Oh, we're gonna big up.
aloe vera.
Yeah, we're bigging up the Jamaican aloe vera. Okay, all right, good. Should I use shampoo after aloe vera?
As I said before, you use aloe vera in many different ways. So there's some ways you use your shampoo after using it. Like if you're doing a deep condition treatment, you're gonna use your shampoo after to wash the hair because you haven't done that before.
Okay.
Yes. But if you're gonna use it like a leave-in condition, you doesn't need to wash that out.
Okay. All right. Excellent. And the bonus number 11. I said 10, but it's at number 11 now. Can aloe vera fix frizzy hair?
Yes, as we said, it is good for all damage, all hair type.
Frizzy or not frizzy?
Frizzy or not frizzy.
Good for that.
Yes.
We have a little bonus for you. We have a little demo here. These nice ladies are gonna demonstrate how to use aloe vera on your hair. the raw aloe vera product. So what you doing now? What is that? You part in the hair?
Yes, part in the hair. This is how you would deep condition. Here you
Deep
just,
condition.
yes,
Okay.
you put it from the root. Yeah. Whereas if you have dry scalp, yes, you can get rid of that for a while. It's you cannot use it just on a one-off basis and expect it's gonna work. No, you have to do it on a
Okay.
yes.
Continuous basis. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Make it
Yeah.
it's that look
Curly
like your
as well.
body.
Yes, it give you some bouncy wave as well.
Yeah.
Just by using the gel alone, give you some bouncy wave.
Okay. All right.
Yes, and we will continue and do the whole
And then so what? Okay. So what you call this now?
deep condition treatment. So after doing the whole head down, then you could put on your steam cap, leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes.
And then what? You wash it out? Or
Yes, and then you shampoo and condition and style as you like.
Meaning regular shampoo
Regular shampoo,
and regular condition.
regular condition.
And then you're good.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how you deep condition.
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. Give them a thumbs up again, guys, for the demo. For Miss, this is Annette willing to do the demonstration. So that's one way. Is there another way you do it with your hair? That's just a deep condition you do.
This is a deep condition just by using just the aloe vera. But if you want to continue we have a hair oil as well. And we have a hair butter. The hair butter soften the hair after shampoo and condition. Aloe vera hair butter.
That one, okay.
Yes.
So that's one of their products, guys. So you'd use it, and that is a conditioner, as you say.
Yes, leave-in condition.
And leave-in meaning you leave it in there.
Yes, you leave it in your hair. Yes, moisturize your hair. See, even leave your hair bouncy as well, but it soften the hair.
Okay.
When you put this all over the hair, within minutes it comes out. Like one of my niece would say, Mommy, this one make me hair happy.
All right, awesome. Okay, anybody use here?
Yes.
So whether you're black or Cajun, Chinese, or anybody,
because
aloe
we
vera
We have a white customer as well from Canada.
And
and she loved the product and she sent back to get the more hair butter, more hair oil. And she's out to send to restock.
Oh, wonderful. And speaking of the products, guys, we're gonna have them talk a little about the products. This one is
the hair butter. Made from aloe vera and
aloe vera and some special ingredients.
Yes.
Like this one. Like
the rosemary.
What other ingredients you put in there?
Shea butter.
Shea butter, mango butter. Yes, and aloe vera oil and vitamin E oil and essential oils and we use the castor oil as well, Jamaican black castor oil.
You put castor oil in there?
Oh yes, we
so you have powerhouse stuff you have here, man.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. That your hair grow back in 5 days to
5 days.
Of course, you start to see new growth.
All right, somebody gonna reach out to you now. Somebody here at drop off and they're gonna reach out to you because they want about to hear in 5 days.
Right. They have an
event next week. All right, okay, and tell me about this one.
Oh, this is the hair growth oil. Yes.
Okay, so tell us about it. What does it do? What will it do? Oh, so it will grow your hair, obviously.
Yes, it will grow your hair.
And what is in that one? What is the special ingredient in there?
Oh, we have the rosemary, the Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, of course. Yes.
Coconut oil.
Yes.
Okay, and coconut oil itself too is actually a really great product for hair.
Yes.
So you have everything here.
Everything here is.
So this is awesome. I'm so proud of you guys.
Essential oils.
Proud of them, young ladies.
Yes.
Proud of you. Okay, so those are the two, and there's another one here.
And we have the body oil. This is the body oil. The sampler for body.
Yeah. So and this one, you said this one is for entire body.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Leave it soft. If you have dry skin, it is very good.
So like me, who don't necessarily need anything for my hair, because I don't regard. I mean, I just cut it and wash it. And I'm good, right?
Yes.
Keep it. In fact, ball are the better.
Yes.
I don't really. I don't need worry. I just need, but I might need aloe vera for my hand, for my skin. I can use this one.
Yes, you can use this one.
Okay. How can people reach out to you? How can people get to you if they want to? How can people get to you if they're interested in getting any of your products? What's
You
you have a
can
phone number?
reach out to us by contacting us at
876.
219-4773 and 596-3294. Or you can look us up on Instagram, Pekan's Natural Limited.
Yeah, and that's actually Pecans _ natural _ LTD. I remember that.
Yes.
I remember that from the first video. All right, guys, pick them up for me. These wonderful ladies and their authentic Jamaican aloe vera products. Proud of them using traditional Jamaican products to make good stuff to change lives of people locally and overseas. Them know them stuff, not true. Big them up for me. Give them a thumbs up or put up in the comments right now. Up to the Pekan sisters. By the way, there's another video that you need to watch. The part 1, I'm gonna call it part 1, which is where they talk about, kind of introduce us to aloe vera. It's in the description as well to make you check it out. But there's another video I need you to watch. Nutmeg. There's a special feature on nutmeg in the description as well. Also in the card above. See you in that one.